Hello YouTubers, I wanted to show off my Craftsman raised panel wrenches. These are all made in USA. Bought them around 1980, maybe 1981. They're complete sets for the most part. The ones over here, these ratchet wrenches, and these are newer, but the rest are all old school. Coming over here, the combination wrench, SAE, they go from 5/16 to 15/16. These have the VA number. Anything with a V, that's old school. These are definitely the ones you want to have. Come up closer to the camera so you can see it. Anything with a V number. Double V or VA or V by itself, those are the ones you want. Raised panel, I've used this wrench probably 1,000 times when I was younger. Made in USA. V with it, got two V's in it. 15/16. On the other side of the coin, you got the metric. The metric go from 7mm to 17. Combination wrench, six point box. It's got the VA number again. Craftsman, made in USA. That's 50-year-old wrench. And we're going into 12-point combination wrenches. They go from 5/16 all the way to 1 5/16. It's got the VA number. So actually, it's a V with an inverted V. 1 5/16 combination wrench. Craftsman raised panel. Made in USA. Had them for close to 50 years. And then on the other side of the coin, you got the metric. They start at, I think, 6 all the way to 27mm. Hopefully you can see it pretty good. This one's 27mm. Like I said, anything with a V, that's old school. Here's an obstruction wrench. I haven't used this too much, but 9/16 is on one side and 5/8 on the other. See, it's got the single V. They're all made in USA. I mean, this is something if you want to hang on to, guys. Don't get rid of them. And down here, I got the combination on both ends. Combo. These are box on both ends. These start at on the SAE side. They start at 1/4 and go all the way to 1 5/16. That's a good size wrench. I use this a lot for leverage. They got the V number all by itself on this one. That's what you want, man. These wrenches have paid for themselves over and over again. Like I said, I've had them since I was a young guy. And then when you go on a metric side, they start at 6mm and go all the way to 27mm. Like I said, I like these because they're long. They're like long. get good leverage on them. I use them to this day still a lot. Made in USA. See the V numbers? They don't have that in all the new ones. And over here I got the little stubbies. The little stubby combination double box. This one's 5/8 on one side, 3/4 on the other. And it's got the V numbers. Like I said, anything with a V. That's how you know it's old. That's how you know it's an old wrench. That was a 3-piece set. It goes down to 3/8 on one side and 7/16 on the other. And to this day, I still use these wrenches. They'll always be one of my favorites. You know, I mean, I like with ratchets, I like comfort grip, but these old school wrenches I still use to this day. This is a set of the offset. I don't know what it's 15 degree, I think it is 25-degree offset. It starts at 10, goes all the way to 7/8. And it's these aren't polished, but it's still got the VA number. Or V in, like a V and an inverted V. Craftsman, made in USA. Down here we have Saltus wrenches. Saltus? It's got a box on the end of it. I never really use this as much, but they get in tight areas. That's a 3/4. That set goes from 3/8 to 3/4. And like I said, these are got the V number, made in USA. It says forged in USA. The V number 42546. That's not the type of wrench I use every day, but they're kind of cool. They're kind of interesting. You don't see a lot of wrenches like that. So I think that's about it. That's my wrench set, guys. And if you got any questions or anything you want to know about it, leave a comment, and I will get back to you. Thanks, guys.